We are looking at a Magic Carpet Sky Suite, formerly known as S3. And look, we're in a corridor here, so there is a room close by. If you're a family, you want to have a private corridor in between your rooms, but they're not connecting. So you can see our location perfectly midship. And here's the room. So if you want a more in-depth explanation of everything, have a look at my other videos on the Sky Suites, on the Apex, or the Beyond, or the Edge. But I just want to show you this room because the configuration is a little bit different. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. Save it in your favorites. And make sure to submit an inquiry with me for your next celebrity cruise if you live in the US or Canada. So you'll have a standard double trough sink. Like for all the suites, you'll get all the suite amenities. We'll have a separate door here for the head. We'll have a large Roman tub and shower combo with a good size. Let's step over. The door is actually a little bit hard to open on this one. So they need to replace the weather stripping there. And look, it's about, what, 12 to 18 inch step over here into the Roman tub with a really cool shower wall with the little waterfall outlet there, the side sprayers, the rainfall head, and then a smaller grow head here, not like what we see in the Aqua Class suite. You get the normal Co-Bigelow amenities. And a little vanity table here. So on a regular Sky Suite, the configuration is different. The bed faces that way, and there's a window here so you can see through the mirrors out from the suite. And the reason they call this a Magic Carpet Sky Suite is because it's right underneath the Magic Carpet. So if you're willing to take this room with a little bit different configuration, you can save a few bucks, but still get all the amenities of the retreat, which is what a lot of people want. And this might be an option for you. So full king bed with all the exhale bedding system, welcome champagne just like normal. Very quiet ventilation systems here. I mentioned that in my concierge class video that I just made. And also make sure to check out my Celebrity Apex playlist so you can see the full tour video of the ship and all the other big suites, including the penthouse, the Edge Villas, and the Iconic suites. So now we'll have a look here outside. So the Magic Carpet category does have a little bit wider veranda. If you look at the Aqua Class video I did, it's a slimmer balcony with only the small table and 2 chairs, but out here they can fit 2 full-size chaise loungers, which is really nice. So here's the kicker. You have a big overhang from the Magic Carpet, but look, it's still private. They can't see you. And when the carpet is moving up or down, nobody's on it. So nobody's going to be spying on your room. So this is how it looks. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Magic Carpet Sky Suite here on board Celebrity Apex. It'll be the same on the Edge and the Beyond and the Ascent that's coming out. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe here to Affluent Journeys. That'll help me a lot. Also put your comments down below if you've sailed in this room or if you would consider sailing in this room with what you've seen here so far. You know, is it worth it to you to save a few bucks and maybe get a little bit more space here on the balcony, or would you rather avoid this area and pay more money for it? I am a luxury cruise agent. I do represent Celebrity Cruises for US and Canadian residents only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Celebrity, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve the offer that you would have by booking direct on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly through Celebrity's North American offices only, not through another travel agent, you're not paid in full, and you made your deposit within the past 30 days, then usually I can still improve that offer and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your detailed inquiry on the website, affluentjourneys.com. Now, if you want to see my special offers and exclusive deals, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. All the deals and promos go there. And then lastly, give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see other things that I'm doing on my travels, including on this cruise here around the British Isles that we're finishing up today. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.